Since our end goal is to host our website under an SSL certificate and deliver content over the HTTPS protocol, we need to configure our newly created virtual machine as a web server. This means we'll need to install services such as Apache, MySQL, PHP, and PHP-MyAdmin. I'm going to maximize my PuTTY window so I have more space to work with. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to run the apt-get update command. Next, I'm going to run the apt-get upgrade command, and this is going to make sure that my server is up to date. Now with that done, we'll go ahead and install our services. And the services are all bundled together in what's known as LAMP stack. And that includes Apache, MySQL, and PHP. So the command for that is this apt-get install lamp-server, and just make sure to include that last symbol there at the end. This is just basic configuration. We need to create a password for the MySQL root user. And we'll need to repeat that password to confirm it. Okay, with LAMP server installed, we need to run this command to install the Apache 2 utilities. apt-get install Apache 2-utils. Now, if you're going to be administering your database with PHP-MyAdmin, you'll need to run this command as well. apt-get install PHP-MyAdmin. Just type in Y when prompted. When this dialog box appears, just select Apache 2 and press enter. When this dialog box appears, just choose the default option, click yes. Now we'll need to type in an application password for PHP-MyAdmin. And we'll repeat that password to confirm it. Okay, just a couple of more commands. First, you'll need to type this in. Now it's a fairly long one, so just make sure you don't make any, just type it in carefully. And press enter. And once that's complete, we just need to restart our Apache 2 service. So type in this command and press enter. Now that our server has been set up as a web server, we need to make sure that our web pages are accessible through our web browser. In order to do that, you're going to copy your web server's IP address and paste it into your browser and click enter. So this is the default page that loads after you initially install Apache on your machine. So we know that it is working. Another thing we know is that it's delivering the content over standard HTTP. So our connection right now is not secure. Our next goal in this course is to install an SSL certificate issued by certificate authority Let's Encrypt. And that's going to make sure that our content is delivered over HTTPS and not just standard HTTP. So we'll see you in the next one.